Algebra 1. What students should learn and the prerequisites required to take Algebra 1. Okay, by the end of the course, students should have been able to solve equations and inequalities, including one step, which is review, two step, which should sort of be review on multi-step equations. Students should be able to understand solving equations and be able to explain how to solve the equations. They should be able to solve systems of equations using substitution, elimination, and graphing. Be able to explain how you solve the system of equations. Know how to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to simplify polynomials. Be able to write expressions in equivalent forms. Be able to write equations from word problems. Be able to interpret the meaning of the solution. Understand the similarities of roots, solutions, and zeros of polynomials, and know how to use formulas to solve problems, including but not limited to areas, volumes, distance, rates, money, and real-life problems. As far as the prerequisites, they just have to have taken your 7th and 8th grade years of math and hopefully have an interest in math and be persistent in problem solving and persevering. Oh, I forgot one there. They also need to be able to factor polynomials and solve polynomials for the roots. As far as the Common Core, their expectations that I use in my classroom are to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them, reason abstractly and quantitatively, construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others, model with mathematics, use appropriate tools strategically, attend to precision, look for and make use of structure, and look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Homework and ALEKS and projects during Algebra 1 classes. Homework for the most part will be done in the class. If the students do not utilize work time, they could end up having more outside of class homework than would necessarily have to have. ALEKS will be based on mastery of topics, and I will have a detailed list of like how many topics per week. ALEKS topics are going to be based on the units that we're learning in math, so they will match up with what we're doing in the classroom. And projects will be given based on the topics we are working on, at least one per trimester, but we could have as many as one per chapter. And that's a brief overview of Algebra 1.